Hi, Yusuf here. Welcome to my channel. This time I will show you how to make a feather trimmer for arrow fletching. As we know, this tool may be quite helpful when we are using this type of feather, not the pre-shaped one. And this is my arrow. I use the same type of feather. This video will be in 2 parts, and this is the first part. It is about making preparation about what we need. And let me show you. Okay, first thing we need in here, we have a box. This will be used to contain all the components. And the next is power cord. And here we have 5 amps of step-down transformer. And here is the power switch. And we also have 4 screws, which would be used for securing the box. And here we have 3mm LED, and its color is blue. I like blue. And here we have 1K resistor, which will be used for reducing the current which flowing in this LED. In here we have 2 pairs of M5 size of nut and bolt, and they will be used for securing the transformer into the box. And here we have 2 pairs of M5 size of bolt and wing nut. This will be used for attaching the nichrome wire to the box. And in here we have a pair of M6 size of bolt and wing nut. This will be used for securing the place of the shaft, like in here. And in here we have 26 gauge of cable, and it is 14 gauge cable, and this is also 26 gauge cable. And in here we have a limit switch, which will be used for cutting the current which flow to the nichrome wire. So when it is pressed like this, the nichrome wire will be hot, and when we release the switch, the nichrome wire will be getting cold again. I think it is for saving the energy. The next thing is washers. We will use this washer to separate the nichrome wire from the piece of wood, like in here. And of course we also need a piece of wood, maybe 1 by 1/2 inch. This piece of wood is used for separating this metal box from the 2 wires in here, so these 2 wires will not be a short circuit. And it is also for placing the end of the shaft, like in here. We have a hole in here. It is for placing our shaft, like this. And the next thing is the L-shaped aluminium bar, like this. And this aluminium bar is for placing the shaft, like in here. I cut my aluminium and then bend it 90 degrees, like this, and put a hole in here, and then make a notch in here. Okay, finally the last thing we need, but the most important thing, is 24 gauge of nichrome wire. Alright, I think that's it for now. Please hit that like button if you do like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because the next video is about how to make it. Okay, see you later.